secret place where I can be myself. You connect with me like nobody else. Even though our circumstances changed, our love still remains. See me on the ground, still you help me fly. You taught me to be patient, I taught you to rely. So no matter what tomorrow brings, we got the simple things. Cause love is a game back chance. The two of us will know one day. The moment that I climb the stairs, to hold you in my arms after we meet. Love is waking up to see your face, or kissing in the morning. Love is the only thing that keeps me sane at the end of the days that I've got. Love is a Sunday morning with the blanket wrapped around your waist. Love is the way your lips seem to curve when you say my name. And when I'm stressing like the world's turning upside down, girl, it all makes sense when you're around.